Yo, what's up? What's up? I'm here with Tae Twins. Right now we're at Northbrook High School. Oh man, that performance was off the easy. All right, man. What inspired y'all to start dancing?
Here we go. All right, so me, I was dancing since a young age. I was really dancing since a young age. I was like really, you know what I'm saying? I was doing it before, you know what I'm saying? Before I was even out the diaper, you know, just hitting it, you know the thing. So, but I met this guy along the way growing up. I mean, he had a passion for dancing, so I decided, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna do collab soon. So,
but yeah, so then I started dancing because basically rapping and dancing was like both my passion, you know? So then I just started like usually out of nowhere, I just started like learning to do new moves after I found out who Ayo and Tae was. So then I just started out of nowhere learning how to do their moves. Yeah. And when I started learning along the way, I just started picking up moves. And then that's when I met him. And then we met in the wrong, like the weirdest way. like he heard my name, we met together, we found out we had the same name, same passion, same talents, and then we just met up together.
Oh man, anything else y'all want to say? Shout out to what?
Yo, we got a lot of stuff coming. Like we got a lot of stuff coming. We
got
gonna be
songs,
making music, we got dancing videos. Cause the cameraman right here gonna have us up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we gonna be coming out with a lot of stuff, and you know, we just gonna be ready.
Alright, look. See, my contact. Go follow me on Instagram at XO_Young Tae, YVNG Young Tae, and then put underscore again. Put XO.
Oh, mine is underscore King Tae, TAE, not TAY, underscore 100. There you go.
Yeah, same thing. TAE, YVNG, TAE.
What y'all? One more question. What y'all think about Spring Branch?
Spring Branch, it's a nice area. I mean, they got a lot of, you know, stuff to people that, but we like, you know, there's a lot of people in here who really do got talent, and I feel like if they were given the right opportunity, they could really come up out of here. There's not a lot of people who come out of the branch. Not a lot of people get that opportunity. So we just trying to, you know what I'm saying, open up that pathway and, you know, pave that new path so people can just follow behind. So we just...
Yeah, basically what I think about Spring Branch is like I live around Spring Branch like it's my whole life. All my uncles and family members came from the same branch, basically like the same thing. And then so basically I've been around the clothing line, the rappers, like my whole life.
Hey, we're here with this young lady at Northbrook High School. Can I have your name, ma'am?
My name is Angelina.
Angelina. Miss Angelina just done a beautiful song. What was the name of the song again?
It's called I Wrote a Song.
It's called I Wrote a Song. That's the title?
Yeah.
Oh, the name of the song is I Wrote a Song. By who?
I don't even know her name. I can't pronounce it.
Yeah. But Miss Angelina, I want to ask you, what made you sing? How did you get into singing, should I say?
I've been in choir since I was in 4th grade, and ever since then I carried on. But I'm not in choir this year, but I still like singing.
You know what? Funny you say something about choir. I used to get in choir because to get out of class early. That's all. I ain't know how to sing. I just don't get in choir so I can get out of class. I won't have to do the rest of the work. I ain't know how to sing though. So man, who are some of the people that inspire you to sing?
Tonight?
No.
Or just in general?
Yeah, in general.
My uncle.
Okay.
He was in choir in high school, and
Whitney Houston, Beyonce. They don't inspire you?
Yeah. Like famous people.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just I would say anybody who sings. That is my inspiration.
You want me to sing for you right now?
I mean, if you want.
Nah, see, hey, that's all I'm gonna give you. Nah, just playing, but how you like Northbrook High School?
It's pretty good. Like, I was supposed to go to Springwoods, but I'm happy I came here.
Hey, I went to Springwoods. Nah, but I love Northbrook. I got a lot of love for Northbrook. When I say the word Spring Branch, what comes to your mind?
Everything. That's where I was born and raised. So you say Spring Branch, I'm gonna look up. Go Spring Branch, I guess. Yeah.
Go Spring. I like that. This young lady said go Spring Branch. She didn't say go Northbrook. She didn't say go East Side. She said go Spring Branch. That's all. That's good. Thank you for your beautiful song. Thank you. Nah, just playing.
And rise up, or else I can tell you, rise up. Hey, she wanna just pass.
What's up? What's up? We're at Northbrook High School. We just came from the voting yes prep thing majig, which was great. A lot of kids done singing, some done dancing. It was very good, man. These kids have a lot of talent. Very positive minded kids. They talked to them about voting, and why we all should vote. It's important, man. Like, voting is really important, because it makes a difference. A lot of people might say it don't make a difference, but it actually does. So we're right here at Northbrook High School. Go Raiders! And we had singing from Angelina, Karen, Shirley, the Tae Twins, and those kids were phenomenal. Like, me personally, I love seeing kids do positive things, man, with their minds. Just keep on pushing, reach for the stars. Go out and vote, make the difference, put your stamp on this earth, and you will see the difference it makes.